Hello. We're in IKEA and I bought some stuff for the apartment. We need these and also we need these. It's $150. We get also they have this mini candles. It is 95 cents. So it's so cute. It's so small. Okay, let's do the shortcut. So when you want to do a shortcut, you go here at the back. Oh, I hope they didn't close it. Okay, success. So you don't have to go through the entire IKEA. And then those are the